Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I'm just going to show you how to restore your recently closed tabs in your Chrome browser. So I've just closed some tabs in my Chrome browser, so I'm going to open it up down the bottom here. You might have it on your desktop or wherever. I've got it pinned to the taskbar down the bottom. Okay, so we've got it open here, but I had a lot of tabs here open. So I'm going to go and, well, first thing I'm going to try is Ctrl Shift and T. Ctrl Shift and T, and it gave me them all back straight away. There we go. There's a few all at once. Okay, so if I close these again, okay, the other way I can do it is to go up to these three dots in the corner here, right up the top, press on those, go down to History, and you can see that we've got the recent tabs here. So I've had 17 of them. I can go on to this tab over here, and of course it says Restore Window, but it's also got the shortcut written right there if you ever want to know. Okay, so if you ever forget the shortcut that I just told you, it's Ctrl Shift and T. There it is there. So I press on that and I've got all my tabs back again. Now there's another way as well. If I close it and go over to this arrow right in the corner, up in the top corner. Now I notice that some people have got it on the right hand side, some people have got it on the left hand side, so I don't know. You just have to look for the arrow and then click on it, and you'll see I've got a list here of all the tabs. You can search the tabs, you can create a new tab, and you can also open up any of these recently closed ones here. Okay, so but the thing is, that's just opening up one at a time. So I prefer to do the Control Shift one. Now you can also right click in this space up here, right click and reopen closed window, and it opens them all up again. So there's so many ways to do it. Now the thing is, if I close this and then go and do something else and then open a few tabs up, that's not going to be there. You might be able to, I'll just show you because that's okay. So if we open up some tabs here, you know, Google, whatever, yeah, press on Google, then another tab, you know, YouTube, right? So we've got a couple of tabs open here. So if I go down here, it may still be there. It still is, which I'm quite lucky about. But just remember that if you don't open it up straight away, it could disappear. So that's definitely happened to me a few times. So if you think you need the tabs back, go and get them straight away. You can also look up here, and it shows the ones that are open, and it also has all the recently closed ones there. Now again, I'm just going to go Control Shift and T on the keyboard and open up all my tabs again. Now something else that no one mentions, it's a hidden thing. Now up in the top here we've got the Google account open. Okay, now the thing is, if I close the tabs under another Google account, there's another one just here, then I won't be able to restore them unless I sign into that account. So I'm going to show you, because I've closed some tabs in that account as well. So you saw me open these 17 tabs that were in this one here. Now I'm going to go down to the taskbar down the bottom, because I have pinned the Google Chrome icon down there. So what I want to do is right click on that icon down there, and so right click on it and just choose Google Chrome. Now it's just opening up another whole new Google Chrome. Now you can go and have a look and see the history, and it doesn't say that I can open them because they're already open, okay? And you're like, oh, where's my other page? Well, let's go to my other Google account, okay? Now let's open the tabs. Go back, and you can do it all those ways I showed you. So go to history, and it's got 15 tabs. There they are, completely different. TikTok, Facebook, and all that's open down there. Restore the window, and that's another way to get your tabs back. You must be signed in to the right Google account where you were signed in and using your things. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.